Okay, so what is up guys? I don't know why I've done that, but this is probably going to be the shortest video you've seen on my channel. I don't know, but today I'm just going to show you what I take to school, kind of beauty wise. So I take this brush to school with me. I always take a brush to school. This one from Primark. I got it for Christmas, but I know it was from Primark because I asked for it. So yeah. And then I take this little, like, I don't even know what it is. I just like found it when I was going through my makeup jar, and it says Miss Cole, like. So it just says, and I'm going to show you what's in it. I take all this to school. So first, I take this Impulsive True Love body fragrance to school. So yeah, I always take it, especially on PDs, because it makes you smell. It's not one of my things. It's not one of my stick-on nails. Then I take this little mirror that says Polly Panda. I got it from Primark as well. So yeah, you can see me. Hello. Sorry about the lighting, it's really bad. I'll take that just like, because like if I'm not in the bathrooms or I just want to check like my makeup or something, that's one way to do it. Then I just take some Vaseline because my lips can get sore sometimes, and everybody wants some Vaseline in their life. I don't really know which one this is. I like seen it and it was different, so I just had that one. And then the last two things, these two lipsticks, and this is a lip. So I got these two lipsticks at Christmas. They're really nice colours. I'm using this light for my recording because I find it better, but it looks really bad in videos. But you can't really see the shade, but that's like the shade. There we go. And if you can hear a little noise, that's just my CD player because it's on pause, like if I press it now. So yeah. And then the other lipstick is this bright pink one. I don't really wear this one a lot, but this one looks like it's kind of on its way to like a purpley colour, but it comes out really red, pinky. And then I'm really excited about this. I got this last week, and it is the Baby Lips Electro. It is a lip balm. It says it is anyway. And it says for adult use only, like everybody's got big lips. It is a lip balm, so it's Maybelline. And this was £4 for me from Superdrug, and it's got a really nice shade. I actually don't use it for school all the time, but it's really soft on your lips, but it leaves a nice colour. So yeah, so that's all it is. And also I have this piece of paper because I got some bracelets and I took them to school, but I had to open them. So yeah, so that's what I'd really take to school every day. Sometimes I might have mascara, but I don't have it with me because I'll be wearing it at the weekend. But this is just like a basic thing to take. I keep a few shades of lipstick and lip balms because it depends what I want to wear. But if I show you, that's the Baby Lips. It's really nice actually, and I think it's worth the money because it looks really lasting. So this was only like nearly a 5-minute video. So like, comment down below and subscribe because I need more subscribers. So please like. See you all later. Bye.